صدر تلنگانہ جاگرتی کلوکنٹلا کویتا نے خانگی اور کارپوریٹ تعلیمی اداروں کی جانب سے فیسوں میں بے تحاشا اضافے پر شدید برہمی کا اظہار کرتے ہوئے حکومت سے فوری کارروائی کا مطالبہ کیا۔ انہوں نے کہا کہ فیس ریگولیشن کے لیے اسمبلی کا خصوصی اجلاس بلا کر قانون سازی کی جائے، کیونکہ یہ مسئلہ غریب اور متوسط طبقے پر بڑا بوجھ بن چکا ہے۔ کویتا نے حکومت پر تاخیر اور کارپوریٹ اداروں سے ممکنہ ساز باز کا الزام بھی عائد کیا۔ انہوں نے خبردار کیا کہ اگر فوری اقدامات نہ کیے گئے تو عوامی مشکلات میں مزید اضافہ ہوگا۔ دریں اثنا انہوں نے اعلان کیا کہ سنگارینی ادارے کے تحفظ کے لیے اتوار کو سیو سنگارینی کے عنوان سے ایک راؤنڈ ٹیبل اجلاس منعقد کیا جائے گا، جس میں مختلف یونین قائدین شرکت کریں گے۔
Jai Telangana. Telangana state today is reeling under pressure from the private schools who are hiking the fees by more than 25 to 30% on a year-to-year basis. While a student is getting admission from class 1 to 10, the promise is that only 10% hike will be made every year. Unfortunately, some of the private schools are hiking it by 25 to 30%. But this hike in fee, the benefit is neither passed on to the private teachers who work for a very less salary, whose PF doesn't get paid, who do not get any benefits, nor is it being given to the students, because they again have to buy books separately, dresses separately, etc. So there is a lot of pressure on the middle class and the poor background parents. So I am appealing to the government of Telangana, please call for a session of assembly immediately. Please pass the Fee Regulation Act as soon as possible and make sure that the hike in the private school fees will only be anywhere between 8 to 10% as recommended by the Education Commission, as also recommended by the Tirupati Rao Committee. Government should sincerely pay attention to this. Unfortunately, in Telangana, the Chief Minister himself is the Education Minister. He has no time practically to review the situation in the education department, especially in the private sector. So we call for immediate attention from the government. And another unfortunate development that we are seeing today is that the Chief Minister himself is going to inaugurate a private school. If you yourself are inaugurating a private school and giving a message that you are pro-private people, how are we supposed to feel and believe that the government schools will be improved, or how will the poor students studying in the private schools get any benefit from your government? Thank you. Jai Telangana.